Are you confused between products, price books, and price book entries? Don't sweat. Keep watching this video to understand the difference. Wait, before you continue, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to not miss a single CPQ quote to cash video. Let's dive right in. If you want to follow along, go ahead and log into your desired org and make sure you're logged into Lightning. When you're there, we're first going to locate products. Now, it can be confusing right off the bat for folks who are just new to Salesforce to even know where to find products. So, if you're looking on the top part of your org, you might see products there and you can just click into it from there. But if you don't see that, you're going to need to scroll over to the left, find those group of dots in what's called the app launcher and click into that. Then within that search, you can just start to type in products. Then you're going to see it appear and just click into it that way. Now, you might be looking at a similar view like this on your screen where you have a handful of products, or you could be looking at no products at all. If you don't see any products within your org, don't worry. Locate and click into the new button on the right, and let's just quickly create a new product together. So here, I'm going to just call this GenWatt battery. I'm going to select it as active. It is a physical, touchable, tangible item. So it falls under a hardware product family. And let's say the product code is 000. It is tied to the diesel generator type. And let's just keep everything else simple and click save. So you might have similar things to fill out. It might be more, it might be less. That's going to be unique to your org. Now you should be seeing a similar page like this on your screen. This represents what's called a product record. Now, additionally, there are further details within the details section of this product record. Now, depending on your unique org and situation, you might see more or less information or fields that you can enter things into. So, if you wanted, for example, with an additional information, you could actually enter in a image URL for this product that you just created. Maybe that image is hosted on your website. You can just copy that URL and then input it here. You can give the product a description if you like, and fill in any additional relevant fields. Now that is just the product. This product does not have pricing tied to it automatically. And the reason why is because this product is flexible. It can be used and priced in different types of opportunities for different teams that might be global teams. It can be sold to different clients that are in different countries and thus different currencies. And you can capture all of those differences by leveraging what is called price books. Now, if you look here on the right side of my screen, you'll see the category related. That represents all of the related lists tied to this GenWatt battery product. Now, on your screen, you might see this related list just further down on your page. It really depends on where your admin has just like positioned everything. But within the related lists, you want to look for price books. And when you found that, you want to scroll over to the right and click into the Add Standard Price button. Next, you're going to see a similar window like this appear on your screen. And this is just asking us for further details to create the price book entry related to this product. So in my example here, the product that I'm creating this price book entry for is that GenWatt battery. It's referenced at the top. And then the second option here, the price book field, you can also see that this is already filled in. It shows standard price book. Now, you might also just have a default price book at the moment for your org, and that's okay. But in the case where you're already familiar with this and you know, perhaps in your unique situation, you guys have three different price books. Maybe you have a standard, maybe you have a partner, maybe you have a reseller price book. You can always X out of this and start to type in partner price book, and then that will be a result that you can click into and then make that your designated price book as you create this entry. I'm just going to keep it as standard. And then right below that list price, you're gonna now need to give this product a price. So let's say for me, this is gonna be $49.99. And I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm not going to enable the use standard price checkbox. If you know for a fact that you want to in your example, feel free. I'm gonna keep it simple and now click save. Now, this allows me to actually create multiple different prices for different price books. So say now if I sell this product to a partner, perhaps partners have a different price because there's an agreement between you and your partner. So now let's say I give this a $10 discount. Now I can create these different prices very easily and organize them very clearly within the product record. If you sell to Europe, you might have a European price book with different currency. You can also create a price for that currency. So it really allows this one product that you created to be flexible for different opportunities, for different use cases. And that's why the price is not just on the product record itself. And this is the price book container, but what we just did here in creating this standard price book price of $49.99 and this partner price book price of $39.99 are the price book entries. So in summary, initially you have your product record. It has details within it. You can keep it simple, you can make it more unique with images and descriptions, but then you do need to give it a unique price. That is captured within the price books related lists. And when you create these different prices, you can tie them to different price books. This allows you to get very granular with how you price the same product in different use cases. Say, if you sell to partners, they might get a better discount because they're your partner than a customer, for example. And the entries that you make within the price book, those are going to be the price book entries. So those are the three differences between product, price books, and price book entries. Do you want to learn more? Take a look at the two helpful video tutorials below.